got so motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, make it clap. I got 3 old guys on the block.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Nopariskulo from University Swadaya Gunung Jati. I made this video with my friends to fulfill the assignment for the Information Management System midterm exam. I am the first speaker and my teammates Najwa and Kletri Sophie were the second and third speaker. The information system function in a business. Information System Department is the formal organizational unit responsible for information technology service. The Information System Department is responsible for maintaining the hardware, software, data storage, and network that comprise the firm's IT infrastructure. The Information System Department, number 1, programmers. Programmers are highly trained technical specialists who write the software instruction for computers. Number 2, system analysts. System analysts constitute the principal liaison between the information system groups and the rest of the organization. It is the system analyst's job to translate business problems and requirements into information requirement and system. Number 3, information system manager. Information system manager are leader of team of programmers and analysts, project manager, physical facility manager, telecommunication manager, or database specialist.
In many companies, the Information System Department is headed by a Chief Information Officer, CEO. Large firms today also have positions for a Chief Security Officer, Chief Knowledge Officer, and Chief Privacy Officer, all of whom work closely with a CEO. Chief Security Officer, CSO, is in charge of information system security for the firm and is responsible for enforcing a firm's information security policy. Chief Privacy Officer, or CPO, is responsible for ensuring that the company complies with existing data privacy laws. The Chief Knowledge Officer, CKO, is responsible for the firm's knowledge management program. The CKO helps design programs and systems to find new sources of knowledge or to make better use of existing knowledge in organizational and management process. The Chief Data Officer, or CDO, is responsible for enterprise-wide governance and utilization of information to maximize the value the organization can realize from this data. The users are representative of department outside of the information system group for whom application or development.
Organizing the information system function. There are many types of companies and many ways to achieve the organization of IT function within a company. Very small companies do not have formal information system groups. Companies may have employees responsible for keeping their network and application running, or they may hire consultants to provide this service. Large companies have separate information system department, which can be organized different depending on the nature and interest of the company. IT governance includes strategies and guidelines for the use of information technology in an organization, establish a framework of decision-making right and responsible to ensure that the use of information technology support the organization strategy and goals. Based on the information presented, it can be concluded that the organization of information system function varies greatly depending on the type and size of the company. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.